Welcome to Voices of the Writers. I'm your host, Adam Scull, bringing you a new dimension of poetry readings, songwriters, vignettes, and stories with music and sounds for the Eat, Sleep, Write podcast. Discover new writers. Learn about their huge body of work on Eat, Sleep, Write.
Nature's Dance by David Bankson. Read by Nikki Ann Schmutz. Through a rose-petal forest, the spring wind sings, a luscious symphony of sighs and whispers. Light and shadow dance cheek to cheek to the music of the boughs beneath a prismatic honey moon. Nature's kaleidoscopic dress flows and swirls in chittering delight. Leaves rustling, branches tussling in an ancient dance of mirth.
Thank you for joining us for another edition of Voices of the Writers, located at eatsleepwrite.net, bringing you a new dimension of poetry, songwriters, vignettes and stories with music and sounds, for Eat, Sleep, Write. We would like to hear from you. Engage with us. Send your comments and questions to comments@eatsleepwrite.net, or leave a comment at the end of the podcast page. Join us again for Voices of the Writers on Eat, Sleep, Write.